Hello, I'm Brian Devine. I'm the Environmental Health Director at San Juan Basin Public Health, and I'm serving as our Deputy Incident Commander for the COVID-19 emergency response. This is our weekly update video for March 12th, 2021. Thanks for joining us. Thousands of federal, state, and local public health workers have been engaged in emergency response for over a year now in response to the pandemic. On behalf of all of us in the public health community and all the employees at San Juan Basin Public Health, it is our honor and privilege to serve our communities in their hour of need and to keep you safe. This week, we got a little bit of recognition for our efforts here at San Juan Basin Public Health, as our Executive Director, Leanne Jalon, was presented with the American Medical Association's Nathan Davis Award for Outstanding Government Service. This is considered one of the most prestigious awards honoring elected officials and career government employees, and Leanne is one of 5 recipients nationwide this year. She has accepted the award on behalf of us, all the employees of San Juan Basin Public Health, and on behalf of the entire public health community. As we've seen, COVID-19 has laid bare systemic health inequities across our communities, sometimes in unspeakably tragic ways that local public health leaders have not always been successful enough or persuasive enough in exposing. We know that millions now understand how opportunities to enjoy our best health are far from evenly distributed, and how local and state public health can work to reduce that. Leanne and the rest of us have helped plan, oversee, and communicate the agency's response to mitigate the pandemic in Southwest Colorado for over a full year now, since March of 2020. So in a sense, this is our 1-year anniversary. And we've been very successful over the past year, thanks to everyone's hard work and sacrifice, and we know it has not been easy. La Plata and Archuleta counties have been in the bottom 20% of Colorado counties for cases per capita, while also experiencing high tourism and plenty of opportunities for in-person learning. Thanks to the public health emergency response, Southwest Colorado has the lowest cumulative infection rate and the highest vaccination rate in the state. And that's thanks to all of you and your support. We are nearing 30% vaccine distribution in our region. And although we've achieved the highest vaccination rate as a region so far, we know that we need to meet community members where they are and provide vaccines to priority populations who might not otherwise get vaccinated. We're using 600 doses of the Johnson & Johnson or Janssen Pharmaceuticals vaccine this week to underserved and priority groups who have difficulty getting to a mass vaccination site. And we continue to expand vaccine distribution to populations that face barriers with support from community-based organizations all over Southwest Colorado. We are so grateful for our many volunteers, for our fellow vaccine providers, and for our organizations, including the ARC of Southwest Colorado, Hilltop House, Volunteers of America, Southwest Safe House, Manna Soup Kitchen, the La Plata and Archuleta County Jails, and Southwest Center for Independence for helping us vaccinate populations that might not otherwise be able to get it. Along with our local providers, we are on schedule to open vaccine appointments for the next phase of eligibility by March 19th, just a week from today, when about 30% of our population will become eligible for vaccination. And we're on schedule to open up appointments to the entire community sometime in mid-April. Thank you all for your support, for continuing to follow public health guidance, and for getting vaccinated as soon as you become eligible as we approach what we hope will be a more normal summer 2021.